Hello everybody, welcome, my name is Connor and welcome to Tech Rant. Now in today's video guys, we're going to be going over the Rode VideoMicro Shotgun microphone. Now the Rode VideoMicro, not to be mistaken with the Rode VideoMic Go, is a sort of mid-range shotgun mount for mostly people who are just getting started with filmmaking. Not to say it's not a very good shotgun mic, as you guys will see later in the video. It actually puts out some very good quality audio for its price range, which it's priced at $60 as of right now. The price might fluctuate in the future, but I got it for $60, and let's go ahead and see how it performs. So there is the video mic. Next up we have the mount for the camera and an audio cable so we can connect that to our camera. Alright, so the VideoMicro is a very simple piece of tech. Now, attaching it to your camera is very simple. Today I have the Panasonic G7, which is my main point-and-shoot camera and what I use to film most of my videos. It is very easy to attach the microphone to the camera. First off, you just start by sliding the insert into the top and tightening everything down so it fits on like so. And then we simply just slide the mic in. Then we'll take our audio cable. There will be a mic in port on the side, so we just go ahead and pretty much plug and play. So now we're all set up with the Rode Video mic. Okay, so as of right now, you guys are seeing footage taken on my Lumix Panasonic G7. Now what you guys are hearing right now is the camera's stock microphone. So this is without the VideoMicro. Okay, so now the audio you're hearing right now is from the VideoMicro, and hopefully it's sounding pretty good. There are a few things about the shotgun mount that are actually pretty good. The nice thing about having a shotgun mount is the fact that I can kind of bump the table and it's not going to make as much of an impact as it normally would without the kind of strange looking supports that the microphone has on it. Like as you guys can see, it's kind of got those weird U supports. Those aren't just for looks, those are actually to kind of help with reducing noise put on the camera itself, if that makes any sense. So if I were to kind of tap the camera, it would reduce the amount of noise going to the microphone because it's kind of on its own little type of gimbal. I'm not going to say gimbal because that's not what it is. Now, probably one of my favorite things about this microphone is the fact that it has no batteries required. All the power to the shotgun mount is coming from the camera itself, which the microphone is not going to take that much power from your camera, so that's nothing really to worry about. So this is actually the audio without the windshield on. I will go ahead and add the windshield and I'll let you guys hear how that sounds. Alright, so this is now the audio with the windshield. I'm sure there's not much of a difference between the two. All the windshield is kind of a piece of foam and then some kind of feathery stuff going off the side to kind of block the wind from hitting the microphone itself. So it's not really going to add much of a difference between the audio sounds. But yeah, it's a very nice shotgun mount. It's a very low price. I definitely recommend it for those people who are just starting out with YouTube or just starting out with low-end budget filmmaking. This can be a very good investment. I know I'm going to start using this in all my videos. Hopefully it makes a huge improvement to my videos. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment below. Tell me what you guys thought of the video. Go ahead and leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.